What's up, guys? This is Alex. Welcome to Estrella Roofing. Let's start with the work.
5 reasons to replace your roof. Here in Arizona, we have many reasons and factors that determine when you need to redo your roof, and today we are going to explain them to you with the Estrella Roofing team.
Number 1, keep your home safe. Keep your house safe is to be sure that if a heavy rain comes and you don't have a new or in good condition roof, you could have a leak, and that could damage other parts of your house and generate additional costs. Alright, let's talk about reason number 2, great investment. A new roof can increase your home's value and protect it from damage. Also, some homeowners decide to install new roofing as part of their preparation for selling a house. When combined with new exterior siding, new roofing can really make an older home look brand new. A new roof offers a great deal of financial security to a prospective home buyer. The new owner won't have to worry about roof replacement or common roofing problems for a long time to come. Alright, reason number 3, age of roof. The age of your roof is a good starting point to determine when it's due for a replacement. How your roof was installed can also impact its longevity. Number 4, gaps in chimney flashing. The flashing around the vents, skylights, and chimney on your roof help fortify these openings against leaks. That's why it's extremely important to make sure there are no cracks or breaks in the flashing, especially if it's made of cement or tar, which erodes over time. Metal flashing typically has a longer life. Number 5 and last one, rusted roofs, valleys. A roof valley is usually a V-shaped metal channel found in the folds of the roof. The valley helps snow and rain flow off your roof into the gutter. If your valleys are rusted, your roof can leak into your home. For this reason, we open the valleys, then in the future the debris couldn't block the water running out of the roof. If you want to contact us for more information, give us a call at 602-373-4313 or go to our website to book your appointment. We're located in Phoenix, but we do work in all the state of Arizona.